like them, but I think this is good size for my husband. So, and what I'll do, there you go. Let me make sure you can see this. Oop. What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Y'all, we spending a lot of time in the kitchen, but I got something. This stuff. I have fresh maple syrup from our friend Scott up in Canada at Rumbling with the Brooms. I decided, let's make some granola bars for my husband. So, let's go, y'all. All right, soil fam. So, in my bowl, I already have a quarter cup. I have a third cup of, these are just almonds. And I rough chopped them a little bit because I bought the whole almond, but they seemed like they were a little big. So I just cut them a little bit, just in half maybe or so. So I am going to get my measuring cup and 2 cups of 2-ish cups of just old-fashioned oats, about 2.5 cups. I'm gonna use that out of the way. The same third cup of chocolate chips. Ish. Make sure he got enough of everything. I'm gonna put some of this Triology mix, which is flax, chia, and hemp seeds. Just a little bit in there. Give this a little mix. And this is just the this is just my, let me see, make sure you can see it. This is just my oats, chocolate chips, and almonds. And I do have some chia, flax, and hemp seeds in here too, which will mix all of that up real good. So, peanut butter, and I'm so excited to try this. This is maple syrup from Rumbling with the Brooms. Scott, y'all make sure y'all check out that channel. We won a bottle of maple syrup and we finally got it. Y'all, this is a huge bottle. And I'm gonna use it for our granola bar. So I'm gonna use about a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, fresh from Canada. And I got this today, so this was perfect. Whee, look at that. Yes, might even put a little extra in there. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Maple syrup, a 1/2 cup. We're gonna have some pancakes real soon. Okay. And then I'm gonna use I'm gonna put my peanut butter, because I'm using 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna put it in here because I want to try to get the rest of that syrup out. That's all. That is all I want it for. I'm gonna use 1 cup of peanut butter ish. I think that's about a cup. And then we're gonna mix all this together. This is just a healthy snack for my husband. I'm always trying to think of something different to fix for him. So these ingredients are not, set in stone. You can change it if you don't want almond and you rather have cashew or peanuts or anything else. You may not want to use peanut butter. Maybe you want to use sunflower butter or almond butter or something. So feel free, make it yours. You can add raisins or craisins or anything to it. I'm just making this for my husband. You may want more or less oats. So many different ways you can do this recipe. Quick and easy. I got my pan that should be lined in parchment paper, but I ran out, so I used what is that? Saran wrap, just to line. So I'm gonna mix all this together and see, do I need to add anything else? Anything more? I probably can give him some more chocolate chips. Give him another handful. That'll be it with that. Yeah. And that's it. So I'm gonna get it on my pan. And then we'll stick this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. All right. So I line my pan with it because it's so much easier when I'm done to pick it up out of the pan and cut it up. So make sure I got all of my peanut butter incorporated good. I want to get all them oats out of there. Alright, so I am going to pack this down to it's smooth and all about the same level. So when I cut it, it'll be perfect bars. But this will be a great snack for like when my husband come in from the gym. This would be like the perfect snack because he is always hungry when he come in from the gym. Alright, so I think we got it pretty good. Pack it down, smooth it down. Alright. We're gonna stick that in the refrigerator. Delicious. We'll check it. We'll pull it out in 2 hours. Alright, Soil fam. So now we have granola that has been in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And I'm just going to, this is why you use parchment paper. So you can just lift it out. But saran wrap will do just fine. So, got my knife. Just gonna cut it like this. Nice big bar size. Cut them, you know, how you want, and the size that you need them. But I think this is a good size for my husband. So, and what I'll do, there you go. Let me make sure you can see this. Oop. Did fall apart. But that's a granola bar. And I will put them in a Ziploc bag, individual. Let me taste this one. I don't care for almonds, but there you have it. Granola bars, perfect for a little snack. All right, so y'all know what to do. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And let's talk about these granola bars. What do you like in your granola bar? What do you do different with yours? Because you can do a whole lot of different things with these. So, very good little treat to play with. Other than that, I like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for all notifications so you'll know when we post our next video. Alright, y'all be safe. Catch you in the next one.